Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. My name is Dhruv and in today's video we will be gonna study about joins. So I am also a student, so this will be gonna be a raw video because I have just learned this topic from another YouTube channel, another professor. So this will be gonna be a little bit raw video and I will be try my best to give you the best knowledge. So let us let us straightly start with the joins definition. So the joins definition said joins are operation which is used to combine rows from two or more table based on a related column between them. So by definition, as you can know, we can't understand much why join is required. So first of all, let us see what are the requirements of joins. So then for that, I have created two tables. One is customers and second version is orders. So the customer orders column cust ID. It is a foreign key for the orders. Here you can see foreign key is the reference customer's ID and these are the both are description. So you please check these tables correct very carefully because we will be gonna understand all the types and the join with these two tables and their example. So here you can see, here we have seen both tables, so let me show you the data of both the table. Let me see the final table. So this is the customer table which here we have five customer 1 2 3 4 5. Here are their name and email. And the second table you can see it is order table. In order table we have order ID and customer ID, which here customer ID is the foreign key for the order key and the order ID is the primary key of the orders table. So here you can see if we want to show the table of data of one table, we can simply show it from the select star from customer, the simple SQL query, the basic one which we know. But if we want to show the table of the this both table, we want to show the data of both table combined in one table. So for that we just can't use this simple syntaxes. For that we require another topic which is also known as join. So now you can understand the requirement of join. So here I also shown you in the PPT as well, and let us now see the types of joins. So there are also many more types of joins, but these four are widely used. And another type of joins we can also cover in the part 2 video as well. So currently I in this video I will be gonna focus on these four types of join. So let us start with the first join, which is the cross join. So the first let us see the definition. The cross join, every row from one table is combined with every row from another table. So here is the syntax of the inner join. Select star from customers, comma orders. So this is the syntax of inner join. No, sorry, my mistake. This is the syntax of cross join. In the cross join, you can see the data is represented in very cluttered way. You can't understand what is happening in this table. What do we want to represent to the user? So here you can see it is not very much of practical and generally used. But if you want to show what this want to say or want to show to the us, as you can see here is the customer ID 54321 54321 for the order ID 111. So here you can see all the combination of customer ID with the order ID. For 1 there are 5, for 2 there are 5 till the 11, because as you can see in the orders we have orders number from 1 to 11. So there are and many use cases for this as well. Currently you can't just think of any practical use cases as well, but it is used for data testing and also used for, you can say, the different types of data possibilities check in this scenario. What how will our query work, how our data will work. It is also for testing data. I have saved a Google search for you. Here you can see, here are some use cases for generating combination as I have mentioned, and also for testing data, matrix operation, exploring unrelated data to see the what are the possibilities which can happen in the data. So it is very much useful, and every type has its own use cases. Yeah, so let us directly jump to the next, which is inner join. So inner join returns only the row where there is a match between the specified column in both left and right tables. So let me do you understand with the terminology left and right tables? So the terminology says that the left table means the first table. Here you can see the customer is first written in SQL query syntax. So it is called as left and this is called as right. It is just a sequence. First one is left and second one is right. So here it says that the combination, the common data which are related between left and right will be shown in inner join. So here you can see in the Venn diagram as well, which I have created for you to understand is better. Here is the left table and here is the right table. The data which are related to both and matching to both are represented in inner join. Here is the syntax of it. Select star from customer. Here customer are the left and the orders are right because it comes after first table. So select star from customer, inner join orders on orders.custID is equal to customer.custID. So this is the condition on which we want to fetch the data. So I have run this query as well. As you can see, select star from customer, inner join orders on order ID is equal to customer ID. So here you can see where this customer Raju have made how much order are listed in sequence. Raju have made order 1, order 2, order 3, order 10, and then the second customer Sam have made one order, Babura made one order. So here you can see the data is very well structured and very much understandable and very much practical for us. So here you can see the inner join is very much useful. So here I want to show you the another use case of the inner join with sorry, group by. So here if you want to show the how much amount one customer have spent in our store, so we can represent it with with the inner join as well by group by. So let me find it. Yes, here. So here you can see we have used select name comma sum of amount. Here this should be capital, but sorry for that. So here at last we have used group by name. So it groups all the name and the amount. So here you can see Raju made 2016 amount. Sam have if spend 810 rupees, Bahura had spent 1000 rupees. You can cross check here as well. Just like Alex have made 800 rupees. Here you can find Alex payment. Yes, here 400 plus 400. Here made two transaction, order number 6 and order number 8. So it shows the total amount they have spent. So now you can understand the inner join, and you can also Google it for further explanation. Now we will straightly jump to the left join. So what left join says is it returns all the rows from the left table and the matching rows from the right table. So you can see in the diagram, it shows all the rows in the left table, which is which will be gonna happen 100%. But it also shows the common bit or related data in the right table as well. Means if left table has more than one row in the right table, then it will also show that as well. And the left table, it does not, if any row does not have relation with right table, but still it will show in that. Let me show you. So for that I just have to delete one user to make it null. So here you can see uh, yes, sorry, just here you can see the left join. So yes, here I have deleted customer ID because in this example I couldn't show you the difference between inner join and left join easily. So yeah, focus on this part. So no, mostly this part. Select start from customer left join orders. So here is the customer is left join. So it will show the all row of customer data. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you can see the two Raju is look row is not looking commonly. It is looking different because Sam doesn't have made any payment or any amount or any order, but still it is showing us because it is of a left table. So if we have to show it, so here we can see it. So this is the syntax of it. So that's much about it. It will show you the left table completely and also the matching which are with right table. So that's it for left. So if you can understand the left join is 100%, then the right join is clearly opposite of the left join. So it says that returns all the rows from the right table and the matching rows from the left table, as we have seen in the left join. So here is Venn diagram for that. All the rows from the right table will be shown, and all which are matching with left table will be also shown there. So this is the syntax for this. So here you can see in yes here. So we have made select start from orders. So here orders are the left table and we have done right join with customers. So customers are right table and this is on which condition we want to join them. So here you can see the right table is completely shown. Here I have made customer right table and in the above example I have made orders right table in left join wala example, and here I have made customer right join. So here you can see two numbers customer ID. The sum does not have made any orders, but still it is showing because this is right join, and in right join we show the complete data of the right table and which are matching with the left table. That data is shown here. So yes, that's it, and you can see the all those data here. So these four types of data, these four types of join I want to explain in this video. There are also much more topics like cascade on delete, which are I am planning to explain you in the another video as well. First, but before that, I will be main focus on the SQL 50 solution. So I will be gonna solve complete SQL 50 on and put my solution on this channel. So stay tuned for that and like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can see the video when it drops in my channel. And all the PPT, if you want the PDF of this 284 pages, this file is taken from the M Prasant Tech YouTube channel, sir. So here you can see the link of this, and I have learned this complete topic from here, so you can also check out their channel as well. They teach every subject really well. I have completed almost like 80% of it. So that's it for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be soon dropping all the videos of SQL 50. So stay tuned. Best of luck.